Today I will show you how to share your screen on Zoom. Once you start your meeting, if you look at the toolbar below, you can find a share button. Click the share button and it will show you options on how to share your screen. Now there's two ways to share your screen. Either you share your entire screen or just share the screen of a specific application. Now the difference between the two is when you share your entire screen, you share all the activity that is happening on your screen. But if you share the screen of an application, however, it only shows the activity happening on that application. In short, an entire screen, they can see everything that you do, while on an application screen, they can only see what you do in that application. If you go to the top here, you can see that you can even share specific documents from specific sources. Whether you share a whiteboard, docs, a file from OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. There's even an advanced option, but we're not going to talk about that since we're trying to make it simple. To give you an example, let's say I want to share a specific application, PowerPoint. First, you need to make sure that your application is open and your presentation is ready. Once it's open, it will show as an option here in the application windows. And if you have a video file in your presentation, click on the share sound so that they can hear the audio. And to make sure that your video will not be laggy, click on Optimize for video sharing. For simplicity, just click on Content Only on the option shown above. Once you're ready, just click Share. There we go. You should be sharing your screen. This little box right here is what the people are seeing in your meeting. And if you hover over the top, there you can see your tools. You can unmute, open your video, and manage all these tools. To stop presenting, just click this small red button right here. And now you are no longer sharing your screen. And that's how to share your screen on Zoom.